Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. In our today's session, we are going to have a look at the professions in French. Les métiers. Les métiers. Starting with the first one, for actor and actress. So for actor, it is an actor, and for actress, it's une actrice. An actor, une actrice. For a businessman and a businesswoman, it's homme d'affaires, femme d'affaires. Homme d'affaires, femme d'affaires. For a teacher, it's un professeur, une professeur. It's the same pronunciation for both a male professor and a female professor. For a doctor, it's médecin. So, be it a male doctor or be it a female doctor, we use the same word for both. It's médecin. For a male engineer and for a female engineer, the pronunciation is un ingénieur and une ingénieur. Un ingénieur, une ingénieur. There's just an addition of E in case of the female engineer. Apart from that, the pronunciation remains the same. For a dentist, it's un dentiste, une dentiste. Same for both a male dentist and a female dentist. For a painter, be it a male painter or a female painter, it's the same word. Peintre. Peintre. For a dancer, a male dancer is un danseur and a female dancer is une danseuse. Un danseur, une danseuse. For a baker, a male baker is un boulanger and a female baker is une boulangère. Un boulanger, une boulangère. For a lawyer, a male lawyer is un avocat and a female lawyer is une avocate. Un avocat, une avocate. For a singer, a male singer is un chanteur, a female singer is une chanteuse. Un chanteur, une chanteuse. For a student, a male student is un étudiant and a female student is une étudiante. Un étudiant and une étudiante. For a nurse, a male nurse is un infirmier and a female nurse is une infirmière. Un infirmière and une infirmière. For a scientist, a male scientist or a female scientist, both are same. Un scientifique, une scientifique. Un scientifique, une scientifique. For a waiter, un serveur, une serveuse. Un serveur, une serveuse. For a writer, a male writer is un écrivain and a female writer is une écrivaine. Un écrivain, une écrivaine. Très bien. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!